Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sergeant C Love. Today we're going to be going over some algebra. What we're going to be going over during it is solving for x. Now, keep in mind over here I left off the PEMDAS, and the reason being is, as I referred to my previous video, you typically go the order of operations unless it specifically states otherwise, right? When it comes to solving for x, typically you're going to actually go the opposite of order of operations. So instead of you starting off with the parentheses, you're actually going to start with subtraction and move your way down to parentheses. That's how you go about it through this way, right? With that being the case, let's get straight into it. One thing I want to note is, as you can see in number 1, 3 times 4, this is going to seem like it's contradicting what I was saying when I say that you want to go in the reverse order of operations. But in this example, the question just isn't finished. You need to finish it so that you can actually start it, right? So what that should look like is a plus 10 equals, and then you just solve this. 3 times 4, that's going to equal 12. Now that that's been completed, it is actually in the portion where you can actually solve for x, right? A is what x is, right? So with that being the case, let's get started. So the only thing that we really have here is the 10. So we're going to do the opposite of what addition is, right? So that means we're going to make it subtraction. 10 minus 10 cancels out. 10 minus 12, that makes 2. So your answer ends up equaling A equals 2, right? Now let's move over to the next one. Okay, so as you can see all right here, this is all complete, right? So we can actually just get straight into the order of operations. So we have multiplication and we have subtraction. Well, subtraction is going to go before the multiplication, right? So what that should look like is 7 positive cancels out plus 7 positive. That's going to equal 21, right? So what it should be is 3f equals 21, right? Now, the opposite of multiplication is going to be division, right? So what that looks like is 3 over 3, which they cancel each other out, and 3 divided by 21, that's going to equal f equals 7, right? And the reason being is because 21 divided by 3, that's how you get that. So this is just a very basic example of how you solve for x.